Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana, but my family and friends call me Di. So in today's video, I'm pretty sure you can see from the title that we're going to be doing a deep cleaning video. So I know a lot of people hate to clean the restrooms, but the restroom is one of my favorite things to clean. So my grandma taught me how to clean the restroom when I was 8 years old, so I've been loving it ever since. So enough talking, let's get into it. So here are the products that I'll be using to clean my bathroom today. First things first, I like to pick up my rugs. Just put my rugs in the wash. I give them a little old shake. Sometimes I go out on the patio and shake them, but right now they're not that dusty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in the wash. So then after I take my rugs, I go ahead and I grab a laundry basket. And I put all my stuff in the laundry basket.
I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stole my heart away.
So after everything has been removed, I start spraying down my sinks with sanitizing, and I normally let it sit between 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to spray down my shower tub with Comet. This Comet works so well for the shower against soap scum.
I'm in love with you, so what can I do? What can I do? Every day it's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me, so come and take my breath away.
So I like to work from top to bottom. So here I am dusting my light fixtures. So now I'm going to start wiping my doors down in the bathroom with sanitizing. Now I'm going to use my spray away to clean my glass fixtures in the mirror. clean the sink, and I'm going to use my toothbrush to get to the hard crevices around this sink.
My way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No, no. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night. Yeah, I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No, no. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Oh, just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me, give it to me.
Okay, so here I have a bag with a cup of vinegar over my shower head. And so what I do, I use this to eliminate calcium buildup. And I normally let mine sit 24 hours. So now I'm about to remove it.
Last night I felt the storm coming fast, it broke the wall. Scattered glass across the floor. I know this is the final war. There's no use trying to pretend. There's no way to comprehend. No way back, no way to mend. This means we have to end. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Mean words and your evil ways can make the strongest person break. You make me feel less than small. You tore me like a wrecking ball. You hit like an earthquake. There's no room for one mistake. Pick up your stuff and leave. Agree to disagree. So take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. You came with darkness, now I'm turning toward the light. You can't patch this up, I want you out of sight. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Take your brokenness and go.
So in the tub, I'm just going to spray a little bit more Comet just to make it a little easier to clean.
These eyes been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this
after I finished cleaning the tub, I filled it up with water and bleach to run it through the jet lines.
Take your brokenness and go. Just walk away. You're not welcome anymore. You're not welcome anymore. It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who love you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason. None at all.
I like this little nasty thing, y'all. This is one of the nastiest things here. Because it's the last thing we use when we take care of our business. After we finish taking care of our business, that's the last thing that we use. Ugh. Just thinking of it just broke me out.
I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. Hey, you better make it worth it. Just stay, just stay. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise.
So now I'm going to clean inside the toilet bowl. So I'm going to use this plunger to lower the water level. So we'll have more cleaning surface for our disinfectant.
It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason. None at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. Hey, you better make it worth it. Just stay, just stay. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stolen my heart away. There can't be no other. Baby, I don't even bother whatever they have to say. My heart's already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you, that you will turn and walk away. Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. So come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. I never thought I'd feel this way. Falling, yes, I'm falling. Those blue memories start calling, but you can take it all away. 'Cause I am yours forever. No one can love you better. Tell me, is it you and me now? Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do?
Hopefully, this inspired you to clean a room in your home. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, I don't mind you talking about me. Just don't forget to mention the good things. Thank you and have a blessed day.